I'm Neale Whitaker. I'm an interior design expert, writer, TV presenter, and a brand ambassador for Silestone by Cosentino. When I'm renovating the homes on Love It or List It, or even renovating my own home, I guess the important thing for me is solving lifestyle problems. How do I want to live in my house? How do those homeowners want to live in their house? I want that house to work better for them. I want my own house to work better for me. But it's really important to think about how we live in the spaces that we're in. And that's why I love Silestone, because whatever your circumstances, Silestone offers a solution. Silestone is a really unique product which offers durability in terms of its stain and scratch resistance, but takes it that one step further with its patented N-Boost technology. N-Boost is a nano-based technology which eliminates micro porosity. What does that mean? Basically, it means I don't have to worry about spilling coffee or wine on the Silestone, which is great for me and my clumsy lifestyle. As a magazine editor and writer, I used to love telling stories of other people's lives. Now, as an interior design expert, I love encouraging people to tell their story through their homes. Nothing says more about a person than their home, the things that they choose to surround themselves with. For me, good design is about innovation, and that is why Silestone is leading the charge. If you're designing for yourself, then your instinct will tell you if you've got it right. If a room feels good, it's working. It's as simple as that.